Hi everybody, or should I say Barev everybody, welcome to my new video. My name is djor.dje. I haven't done this in a while, but I just had to do this to give my reaction to the amazing victory of Armenia at the Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2021. Now, I would have been happy with this victory anyway, because this was an amazing song and an amazing performance, but everybody who knows me knows how much I love Hayastan, and there's this video of mine from a couple of years ago where I talked about how much I love the country and the culture and how I wanted to learn the language at some point of my life, so you can check it out. So yeah, before I start commenting on Malena's performance, I just want to give a big shout out to all of the participants of Junior Eurovision 2021. They were all really great, like real professionals. So many talent, all of them were talented kids with great vocals, great songs. So yeah, huge congratulations to everybody. They were all winners, really, but eventually only one could have been crowned the winner, and it was Armenia. And in my opinion, it was very well deserved, but everybody else was really great, and they should all be proud of themselves. Already the opening of the song makes you want to listen to it until the end and see the performance until the end. The staging was really well done. All the colors and everything was just looked so good, like on the level of the big Eurovision. And she's such an amazing singer at such a young age. And the way she performs, it looks like she has 14 years of experience of performing, not only 14 years of life. So, and the chorus, when she starts singing Qami Qami, we all start singing with her, even though many people don't know what it means. Now, when the beat drops after the chorus, I love it because the song keeps getting better and better and better. It's not like a flat line throughout the song. It just keeps growing and growing and gives you something new throughout the song. So I love it, really. And their performance, I mean, the dancers and Malena, they're really doing a great job. They're like real professionals. You know what I love about this is because it has this international sound, but it's also in Armenian, and she puts these Armenian vocal acrobatics throughout the song. It sounds ethnic as well, and it sounds so good. And this choreography, Qami Qami, it really fits the chorus and the song. So all of it was really done to the point. Like everything in this performance and in this song is great, and it just had to win. Personally, I think this song could have won the big Eurovision as well. I really think so. You see this? I love this part. I love this ethnic part that she puts in the song. And now the highlight. What a voice. Fireworks at the end for this brilliant performance by Armenia, an absolutely deserved victory, and I'm so happy Armenia, Hayastan won this contest. What can I say? I've seen the reaction of so many Armenians all over the world, so happy and so proud, and you should be so happy and proud because of all the bad things that have been happening in the past year. You really deserve success, you really deserve victory, you really deserve some joy, and I'm glad that Malena brought it to you. And yeah, I don't know, she has become the nation's sweetheart, Armenia's sweetheart after this victory, a much needed victory, a much needed celebration in Armenia. And I'm sure that in a couple of years' time, she's going to go to the big Eurovision as well, and then hopefully win it there. And then the whole world can come to Yerevan to see the beauty of the city. Unfortunately, I still haven't been, but hopefully I will come in the years to come. So yeah, as I said, Malena, she's a superstar. Really, Armenia, you have a superstar. The whole Europe maybe just found a new superstar. And I hope she has a great team around her that will help her choose good songs, choose good music videos, and everything that comes with it. And that she's going to have decades and decades of a great and successful career because she really has the potential for it. So yeah, that's my opinion. That's what I think of Qami Qami from Hayastan. Once again, congratulations. And yeah, what do you think of the song? How have you celebrated the victory, Armenia? How happy are you? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Shara Kalutun, and see you sometimes in the future. Bye. Thank you.